So what's good, YouTube? I'm back with another one. Today we got an ISR Y-pipe install on my Infiniti G37S. This should be a pretty simple install, but here's some clips of what the car sounds like now, some street driving, whatever, and I'll show you guys what it sounds like after the install. So quick update, I got the car up in the air. So it turns out that the bolts that hold the Y-pipe to, I believe, the down pipes, it's like melted on. It's seized, completely rusted. I'm gonna show y'all, but I can't get that off of my tool, so we're gonna pick this up back tomorrow. I'm gonna take it to the exhaust shop. So yeah. So yeah, my roof line is down because I'm doing the Starlight install. But right now, I got my car at the exhaust shop and we're about to install the Y-pipe. Hopefully I can get it done today. I done went to like 5 other places and this did not work out. So hopefully this works. So like I told you guys before, I do have the ISR exhaust. I just had the resonator cut out and add in with a 3-inch straight pipe that goes back to, you know, the Y-pipe. And this is the struggling Y-pipe that we had to deal with. So hopefully he's able to get these bolts off.
Don't try this at home.
Freak, you crazy for this one.
So it is done, it is put on. I'm gonna let you guys hear how it sounds. This is an ISR Y-pipe. Just like that, we are done. So the Y-pipe is now finally installed. I came over here to muffler shop. I don't really know what to say. Give y'all the shop name. Superior Mufflers and Barbers. Yes, I
You crazy for
good YouTube Y-pipe install on my should be a pretty yeah. Niggas got the icy neck out. They said, Brandon, why are you so icy? They said, Brandon, she pulled off so nice on Brandon.